Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import an Excel to create a new sheet in Smartsheet. As you can see here, I have this Excel file ready with 2 data. All right. Now what we'll do is go ahead and open up Smartsheet. Now go ahead and click on Start a New Project and here and just select Import. All right. As you can see here, under Start from Scratch, you have the Import option. So just go ahead and click on it and go ahead and select Microsoft Excel. Click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead and click on Select right here. And then go ahead and find the directory of the file that you wanted to import. This one. Hit on Open, wait for it. And then once done, just hit on Continue. In here, there you go. As you can see, we have the preview of the data that is inside the sheet itself. The sheet name right here, if you want to rename it, just go ahead and do so. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and name it as Names. All right. And then you can go ahead and select your primary column. If you want to include formulas or import, go ahead and tick on this check mark and then just click on Import. Wait for the process to finish. Depending on the size of your data, it might take some time. And as you can see here, as fast as that, here we have our imported Excel. Okay. Or for example, you already have opened a sheet. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and go to Home. As you can see here, I have here my entitled sheet. Okay. Let's say I'm going to open it up. And then, as you can see, I only have one data in here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to File at the top left. And then you have the import option as well. And import Microsoft Excel is an option as well. So just click on it. And as you can see here, it now got a new way, as it states here, to import files from the workspace panel. So hit on Got It. Click on Workspace. Okay. Click on Add to Workspace. Import Microsoft Excel. Select and just do the same process. Okay. Continue. There you go. Import. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.